Aloha everyone, welcome back to Miss Connie's Pre-K Corner. Today our story is called About a Bear by Holly Surplice. Be ready, boys and girls, for the rhymes in this book. A bear can be happy. A bear can be sad. A bear can be bored. And a bear can be glad. A bear can be puzzled by a curious find. And sometimes a bear has to scratch his behind. A bear can be hungry and sniff out a treat. And no bear can resist something sticky and what, boys and girls? Sweet. What's yellow, sticky, and sweet? Yes, you're right. Honey. A bear can be silly and possibly slip. But luckily, a bear makes a very good ship. A bear can get sleepy and need a bear hug. Then cuddle up tight, as snug as a what? Bug. The end. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed our story. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Read Aloud fun and more pre-K lessons. Aloha for now.